Most survival gear is designed to sell, not to save your life. When you're truly in the wild, flashy gadgets usually fail. In this video, I'll break down the 7 tools that actually matter, the ones real professionals trust. Forget the gimmicks and overpriced gear. I'm talking about proven, affordable tools with a track record of saving lives. Let's get started. Pre-packaged survival kits look impressive at first glance. With their sleek packaging and long lists of included items, they promise peace of mind and claim to have everything you need to survive an emergency, whether you're lost in the woods or facing a natural disaster at home. It's easy to be drawn in by the convenience and the sense of security these kits seem to offer. But here's the harsh truth. Most of these kits are designed to sit on a store shelf, not to withstand the harsh realities of the wild. They're made to look good in the packaging, not to save your life when things go wrong. Many people buy them, toss them in a closet or the trunk of their car, and never actually test the contents until it's too late. When you finally need them, you might discover that the tools inside are cheap, single-use gadgets that break or fail at the worst possible moment. Imagine relying on a multi-tool that snaps in half, or a knife that can't even cut rope. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they can be life-threatening failures. The problem starts at the design stage. Most commercial survival kits are put together by marketing teams, not by people who have actually survived in the wild. Their goal is to keep costs low and appeal to as many customers as possible, not to provide gear that will actually work when your life is on the line. As a result, these kits rarely include the items that experienced outdoorsmen and rescue professionals actually rely on. You'll often find tiny folding knives that are too small to be useful, unreliable fire starters that barely spark, and first aid kits that only cover the most basic scrapes and bruises. In a real emergency, you need tools that are robust, reliable, and versatile, not just the bare minimum. One of the most critical needs in any survival situation is clean water, yet water purification is often missing from these kits, or included as a cheap afterthought. Without a reliable way to purify water, even the best-stocked kit can leave you dangerously exposed to dehydration or illness. The biggest danger of these kits isn't just what they lack, it's the false sense of security they provide. People buy them, feel prepared, and then find themselves in trouble when the gear doesn't perform as promised. This misplaced confidence can lead to risky decisions and even greater danger. Another common issue is redundancy. Kits often include multiple versions of the same poorly made tool, or fill space with items that are nearly useless in a real emergency, like weak whistles, flimsy sewing kits, or plastic compasses that don't point north. Instead of quality, you get quantity. And that can be a deadly mistake. Real survivors know better. They build their own kits, carefully selecting each item based on experience and reliability. They focus on quality over quantity, choosing gear that has proven itself in the field, not just in a marketing brochure. Every piece of equipment is tested, trusted, and tailored to their specific needs and environment. Before you trust your life to a pre-made kit, ask yourself, would a rescue worker or a seasoned outdoorsman carry this? Professionals rely on gear that works, not on what's cheapest or most convenient to package. If the answer is no, it's time to rethink your approach to survival preparedness. In this series, I'll take you behind the scenes of real emergencies and show you the tools and techniques that have actually saved lives. You'll learn what works, what doesn't, and how to build a kit that you can truly depend on when it matters most. So let's get started. In the next chapter, I'll reveal the first tool you should never skimp on, because when it comes to survival, your life may depend on it. When it comes to survival, there's one tool that stands above all others, a dependable fixed-blade knife. It's not just another item in your kit, it's the backbone of your entire setup. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or facing an unexpected emergency, the right knife can mean the difference between comfort and hardship, or even life and death. Forget folding knives and multi-tool blades for serious survival situations. While they have their place, nothing compares to the strength and reliability of a full-tang fixed blade. This type of knife is your lifeline for building shelter, preparing food, making fire, handling first aid, and countless other tasks. Its solid construction ensures it won't fail you when you need it most. Cheap knives are worse than useless. They can actually put you in danger. Imagine relying on a flimsy blade only for it to snap or bend when you're trying to split wood or cut rope. In a survival scenario, a broken knife isn't just an inconvenience, it's a liability that can leave you stranded or injured. That's why you should always look for a full tang blade, ideally between 4 and 6 inches long, from a reputable brand known for quality. This size offers the perfect balance between versatility and control, making it suitable for both delicate tasks and heavy-duty work. Avoid hollow handles and flashy movie-style gimmicks. While they might look cool, they often sacrifice strength and reliability. In the wild, simple and solid construction always wins out over unnecessary features. Comfort matters more than you might think. A secure, ergonomic grip is essential, especially when your hands are wet, cold, or muddy. If your knife slips or causes blisters, it can quickly become a hazard instead of a help. Don't just carry your knife, practice with it. Learn how to carve wood, start a fire, and perform basic maintenance. Familiarity with your tool builds confidence and skill, which are just as important as the knife itself. Even the best blade needs regular care. Sharpen your knife on a whetstone, and apply oil to protect it from rust. A well-maintained knife will serve you faithfully for years, while a neglected one can fail when you least expect it. Your knife will quickly become your most used tool in the wild. From preparing meals to building shelter, carving tools, and even handling first aid, its versatility is unmatched. That's why investing in quality is so important. Don't cut corners when it comes to your survival gear. A cheap blade might save you a few dollars now, but it can cost you dearly in an emergency. Choose what professionals and experienced outdoorsmen trust: reliability over gimmicks, quality over shortcuts. In the end, a good knife isn't just a tool, it's your best survival investment. Choose wisely, care for it, and it will be there for you when you need it most. Water is non-negotiable in survival. Whether you're facing a natural disaster, lost in the wilderness, or simply traveling in areas with questionable water sources, having access to clean, safe drinking water is absolutely critical. Drinking from contaminated sources can lead to severe illness, dehydration, or even death. Every year, millions of people around the world are affected by waterborne diseases, especially in emergency situations where infrastructure is compromised. That's why, when it comes to survival, water is always your top priority. That's why a proven portable water filter is essential, not just a luxury, but a necessity for anyone who spends time outdoors, travels to remote locations, or prepares for emergencies. A reliable filter can turn a muddy puddle or a questionable stream into a life-saving resource, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. The Sawyer Mini is trusted by disaster relief teams, humanitarian organizations, and outdoor adventurers in over 80 countries. Its reputation for reliability and effectiveness has made it a go-to choice for professionals who can't afford to take risks with water safety. When lives are on the line, they reach for the Sawyer Mini. What sets the Sawyer Mini apart? It's incredibly compact and lightweight, small enough to fit in your pocket or the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to remove 99.99999% of bacteria and 99.99999% of protozoa. There are no batteries to charge, no moving parts to break, and no complicated setup, just simple, effective filtration you can count on wherever you go. Versatility is key in survival situations. The Sawyer Mini can be used in multiple ways. Attach it to a standard water bottle, use the included pouch, or drink directly from a stream or river. Its flexible design means you're always prepared, no matter what water source you encounter. One Sawyer Mini filter can process up to 100,000 gallons of water. That's enough to last an individual for months, or even years, depending on usage. Whether you're on a week-long hike or facing long-term disaster recovery, this filter has you covered. Maintenance is simple and quick. The Sawyer Mini is designed to be cleaned and reused, even in the field. Just backwash it with the included syringe to restore flow and keep it working like new. It's affordable, easy to maintain, and has been field tested in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Don't risk your health with cheap, unreliable survival straws that clog easily or fail when you need them most. Choose the filter trusted by professionals and rescue teams worldwide. The Sawyer Mini is built to last and perform when it matters. It's always smart to carry a backup water treatment method like purification tablets or a secondary filter. But make sure your first line of defense is a proven, high-quality filter like the Sawyer Mini. Your safety and your life could depend on it. In the end, your survival depends on safe water. Don't compromise. Trust the filter that's protected millions around the globe and make clean water a guarantee, not a gamble. When darkness falls, hands-free lighting is a game changer. Pros rely on headlamps, not flashlights, because you need both hands for survival tasks. Headlamps shine where you look, letting you move safely and work efficiently. Choose a model with adjustable brightness, a red light mode, and a reliable strap. Battery life matters. Pick one that uses standard batteries for easy resupply. Durability is key. Water-resistant and shock-proof construction is a must. Test it with gloves on. Small details matter in tough conditions. Carry spare batteries in a waterproof bag. Once you use a headlamp in the field, you'll never go back. Invest in a solid headlamp. It's a small change that makes a big difference. A multi-tool is a pocket-sized toolbox, if you choose wisely. Cheap multi-tools break easily and can be dangerous in a pinch. Quality starts with hardened, corrosion-resistant steel and solid construction. Look for essential tools: pliers, wire cutters, knife blade, screwdrivers, can opener, and scissors. Skip overloaded models with useless gadgets. Quality beats quantity. Ergonomics matter. A secure grip and smooth action are essential. Stick to trusted brands like Leatherman, Victorinox, or Gerber. A good multi-tool is an investment that lasts for years. It complements your fixed-blade knife, not replaces it. Together, they cover almost any survival challenge. Fire is essential for warmth, water purification, and signaling. In tough conditions, you need a fire kit that works, no matter what. Start with a ferrocerium rod, stormproof matches, and a couple of mini BIC lighters. Each tool has strengths. Ferro rods work wet, matches are quick, lighters are reliable. Add easy-to-light tinder like waxed wood shavings or commercial fire starters. Pack everything in a waterproof pouch. Moisture is the enemy. Test your kit before you need it, and practice in tough conditions. You can build this kit for under $20 on $. Skip the overpriced tactical gear. Fire is only as good as your preparation. Build your kit, learn to use it, and you'll always have an edge. Most pre-made first aid kits are inadequate for real emergencies. Build your own kit with trauma essentials: sterile gauze, tape, a quality tourniquet, and trauma shears. Add blister care, painkillers, antiseptic wipes, and personal medications. If you're trained, include wound closure strips, a SAM splint, and burn gel. Organize everything in a waterproof pouch and label the contents. Practice using each item. Muscle memory matters under stress. The most underrated survival item: an emergency blanket. For just a few dollars, it reflects body heat, provides shelter, and can signal rescuers. Review and restock your kit regularly. Prepare for the worst, and you'll be ready for anything. In real emergencies, simple, proven tools save lives. It's not about having the most gear, but the right gear, the kind you've trained with and trust. Don't let marketing hype distract you. Focus on skills and reliable tools. Start with these 7 essentials, build your own kit, and practice. When it counts, your skills and mindset, not your gadgets, make the difference.